Namaste YouTube, welcome to Cafe Noma and welcome to our reaction to The Gorgeous, and we are going to listen to the song Everybody's Got to Learn Sometime. That's true. Everybody's got to learn sometime.
So first time single day comments reaction to this subscriber request. Let's get started.
Yeah, let's find out
I
what are we
don't think
learning.
we've heard this artist ever before.
No, first time. Because I don't know if it is Gorgeous or Gorgeous.
Yeah.
Yeah. Let's get started.
Change your heart. Look around you. Change your heart. It will astound you. I need your loving like the sunshine. And everybody's gotta learn sometime. Everybody's gotta learn sometime. Everybody's gotta learn sometime. Change your heart. Look around you. Change your heart. It will astound you. I need your loving like the sunshine. And everybody's gotta learn sometime. 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 Everybody's gotta learn sometime.
Wow. This was blissfully sad but profoundly beautiful to listen to. Wow. There were certain lines that were just, they touched me deeply, connected with me deep inside. I need your loving just like I need the sunshine. Everybody's got to learn sometimes. Wow, what a beautiful song. What a beautiful song. There's so many gems like that which we still haven't heard of all the years of us being alive and the last few years of listening to music on a daily basis and reacting to it on this platform, this amazing platform called YouTube. It's so amazing that there's still hundreds and possibly thousands of gems still there for us to listen to, as long as wonderful people like you request it to us. We would never have heard about these guys. The Gorgeous. It's an artist or a band. Sounds like a band. I just loved it. What does Kirti think? Let's see.
I like the voice of the singer. It was good. It was very clear. It was on first listen. It had no confusions. It was very clear for me to listen to, understand without even lyrics being there. It was that neutral, and I appreciate voices like that because everybody from any part of the world can understand it on the first listen easily. So it was very easy on the ears to listen to. I like in the outro there was this Chinese guitar like sound. Do you remember? Da, 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 da. Something that went in the outro. They just added that. It wasn't there, I think, throughout the song, or maybe the any other instrument that sounded at the end, something like that, fading out. It sounded good to me. I like this hopeful, very positive song, inspiring too for several people, for millions and millions of people. Just look around, just see all the things that are around you, and everybody has to learn sometime. Don't be sad, don't be low, or whatever your situation is. This is very hopeful to listen to.
It could be apt for so many situations and so
Yeah.
many people who possibly have preconceived notions or make assumptions,
Yeah.
and those assumptions turn into judgments about certain
And
people,
that restrict them from looking at
certain
the real
communities.
beauty.
Yeah, that restricts them. So look around, look at the world, look around. It will change your mindset, it will change your opinion on things. The world is so beautiful. That's what the band, the artist is trying to say. Let us know if the Gorgeous means something
Yeah.
in a particular part of the world where they are from. We don't know where they are from. They sounded European, perhaps English to me, the way it was being sung and the music and everything. But I could easily be wrong about such things. So let us know if it means something. Do they have more songs? We never heard about them before now. So do let us know in the comments below. I absolutely love this. I think it's a hidden gem, and there are hundreds and thousands of gems. And that is one of the primary purposes of Vinoma, was from the beginning. If you notice all our reactions and our songs from the beginning till today, and even as long as we are on YouTube, our purpose has been, one of our main purposes has been to listen to gems like that, hidden gems. Listen to music that perhaps no other reactor, no other music reviewer on YouTube is listening to, is reacting to, is sharing their opinions on. That is what we do. And we have been doing it so well because it's part of our purpose. We don't just want to listen to music that everyone knows about. Although we do listen to that too, and we have listened to a lot of that. But that's not one of our main reasons of being here. Obviously, when we listen to songs like this, when we've not even heard of the artist ourselves, we understand that it's maybe they aren't that popular, So we do understand that, but that doesn't mean we stop ourselves from sitting here, listening to it with good quality headphones and sharing our honest opinion on it. That's what we love to do. As music lovers, music is not about listening to only the music that everyone else is seemingly listening to. It's about listening to music which, trying out as much as you can, and then finding what's best for you, or what you really makes you groove to it, move to it, sing along with it, or connects with your life. And this on a very deep level. I don't know whether it's the lines or the way it was sung, but at a very intimate and deep level it connected with me. I'm still
was
not
the entire
clear about it.
composition
I'm still in that state of hypnosis of the music and the way it was sung and presented in my ears. I'm still in that halo. I'm still in that hypnosis. So I'm not very clear with my words and to say what it is that struck me. But I definitely found something at a very intimate level that connected with me. So it's definitely a hidden gem for me, and I'll be adding it to my playlist and listening to it a lot more. Songs like these are what we both are here for.
Yeah, it is a conscious effort from both of us on our side to bring out music without any bias from any part of the world that can be enjoyed by people, that adds meaning to our lives, daily lives.
But it must be requested first.
Yeah, we don't know all of it.
And therein lies the algorithm bias, which is very strong on platforms such as YouTube. So it must be requested, and unfortunately, at most times we have noticed our requests and our reactions that we do to those requests usually go to only particular countries, and that kinds of stops music from different parts being requested.
Discovery,
in the
yeah.
first place. Yeah, so we are like an Indian couple reacting to music from the other side of the world. We don't mind that because obviously that helps us step out of our comfort zone on a daily basis. But at the same time, we do want to listen to a lot. I know we all have limited time, whether on this platform or in life. So, but we want to make the most of our time here with you. So thanks for this request. I know I've spoken a lot and shared a bit more than what was required, but I'm doing it so that you know the kind of requests we like. This is one of them. Thank you.
It is.